What's going on today, guys? Slow day today. So, perfect time to do a service on the tractor. Well, I plugged her in earlier today, so she should fire up no issue for us. We hope. We'll find out here. Oh, can't put the key in. Oh yeah, here we go. I think the battery's a little dead. All right. Let it run for a minute, move some stuff around. All right, let's see if Hank will start. I'm sure it will. Like a gem. There you go. Let her warm up a bit and we'll do a service. Safety first. No one's dying because we got no insurance. Today, I got the old Massey in the shop. We're doing some work to her. I need a crescent wrench. One size fits all. I remember the only one I got might be a bit overkill. Well, she'll do. No, that's too big. Let's try this toolbox. Oh yeah, that's more of a better size. I'm gonna feel you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. Now the trick here is to get as much oil on your hands as possible. Not only when you go home, the old lady will love you. Out! Just go to an old man piss stream and then we'll be less scared. Oh yeah. There's the kidney stones. Here we go. Now the old man pee comes out. That's pretty gross looking. Definitely never changed it since I've owned it. I need a filtre wrench. That's what I want. Fresh coveys. Let's try with one hand. Oh yeah. Drink. It's off the rest of the way. Oh, gross. Gross. God, I love magnets.
Perfect job for a white towel.
Don't worry, this isn't one of our towels.
Shop towel.
No, I'm a klepto and I stole this from somewhere. Remember kids, it's not what you make at work, it's what you take. Bring me brake clean, bring me lubes, bring it all home. Flavor. The only flavor worth putting in a diesel. Nothing but the best. Run it in my truck, the tractor, anything. It's probably gonna go in my Golf too. Yo, Shell, hook a brother up. We love your rotella stuff here. Lube your ring. Lube that ring. Oh, start. What happens when you're messy, you gotta wipe the filter off after. Or you just use the plastic. There you go, Jiffy Lube. Good enough. LF 700. Nothing but the best. Fleetguard. I don't know what's good anymore. It's all probably trash. That's good enough for the girls I go out with. Oh, I'm not a lefty. Sorry, guys. Urgh. Struggle. The struggle. I never realized how hard it is to film and work. Like, I give credit to the guys that do this and make it look awesome. Good for them. It's difficult. You're down to one hand. Sometimes you need 3 in this trade. All right, well, that's torqued nice and tight with nothing but the best Mastercraft torque wrench. Down there. I need a funnel. Whoopsies. Oh, thank you, dinosaurs, for making good oil. Sorry about the meteor, though. Should get more than twice. You're playing with it. Oh, I'm playing with it. Alright, it's probably around where it needs to be. I will check. With my handy dandy shop towel. Pretty spot on. And he's gonna be perfect. All right, now I need to grease it. We're gonna try out the handy dandy Milwaukee M12 greaser. Thing's sweet. I mean, the grease is a bushing, right? Fine. All right. All right. Oh, look at that grease right on me cubbies. Like someone died over here now. Oh, my boobie. Oh, my boobie. I don't like it there. You guys are not being aroused with me cleaning myself off. It's kind of weird. Nobody likes a dirty tip. No idea how old this fuel is. Oh, I missed. All right. Yep. All right, guys, that's all for today. Short and sweet. Don't have a lot going on, but got to make time to work on your own stuff every once in a while. Greatly appreciated if you guys would like, comment, and subscribe. You can hit the notification bell if you'd like. The next video I'm going to come out with is I went through this truck, took it apart, put it back together how I wanted in the service body a little more, so it's a little more in-depth on what's in there and what I use on a daily basis. Thank you guys very much for watching, and bye for now.